Quick question. Have you ever tried saving a ChatGPT chat like this with formulas, images, and tables? This extension lets you export your ChatGPT conversation in one click: Notion, Google Docs, Microsoft Word, or PDF. First, export the entire conversation to PDF. And look, everything stays beautiful. The math, the images, the tables, clean and ready to share. But what if you only want to export a few messages? Just click the check mark. Select the exact messages you want and export that selection to any format you need, like Google Docs. Boom! Now it's in Google Docs, perfectly formatted and easy to edit. And here's my favorite part. You can customize the output. Click the gear, go to Advanced. I'll switch to Helvetica. Change the color to teal. And bump the size up to 16. Now export to Word. And there it is, styled exactly how I want, ready to send.